Hey guys, well, yesterday I washed the bike and gave it a little service, changed the oil, changed the filter, and after I finished washing it, I realized I cracked my front number plate. So went to go get one at Honda, and show you guys how to put on the graphics and the plate. So I'm gonna show you how to put on the graphics and the number plate. First thing, gotta get your number plate. Went to Honda. Ridiculous price. You need a number plate and you need your graphics. Thank God I got spare graphics in here. Right there. You also need a heat gun, scrapers, and you need a little bit of alcohol. I got a little bit of alcohol and water mixed in here to clean it up. Usually I got a spray bottle of water and alcohol in the garage, but for some reason I can't find it. So, first thing I'm gonna do is, I hate these things. I don't like them. I'm just gonna take it off. You know, it just wraps around. If it breaks, it breaks. I don't know what this is gonna, this is probably, if it breaks off, it'll still hold on, but I don't know. I just don't like that. So first things first. Step number one for me. Now, you always got to clean it. I got a mixture of alcohol, water, and a little bit of soap. The alcohol will clean it. The water and the soap will make it a little slippery, give you enough time to move it around if you got to move it around. Now this stuff I like to do it inside because my wife allows me to. Because I don't like to do it standing up. I want to be nice and calm, because you should be nice and calm and relaxed when you do this, because it's very easy to make a mistake. So first thing you do after you clean it with alcohol and water, heat gun. Warm it up a little bit so it binds. And then you warm up the sticker so it's a little more flexible. See, it's been sitting all winter and it's shaped in the position I left it in. So I just heat it up a bit. It's a little soft. Not too much, just a very little bit. Make sure you don't burn the table or anything, because this is still hot. I still have the box there, so I put it on top of the box. Now, a little bit of water and soap. Usually I got the spray. Spray works way better. You just and spray it on. Now there's lots of ways you can do this. You can cut this in the middle, open it up, and put it down like that. I do it the hard way, or the easy way, whatever you prefer. You want to start in the middle, line up the center. And that's why I put the water. Start on one side, a little bit of heat. Now that I got the center all lined up, you start on one side and you work your way out. Up and down, never across. Slowly. Same for the other side. Work your way from the middle out. Work all that air out. A little bit of heat. You want to put the heat, not too much heat, where all the bends are. All the little ripples and wrinkles, you got to work them out. Take your time, easy, and work them out. Don't be nervous, you can just take your time and work them out, even if there's a lot. Now, you don't want to put too much heat. Too much heat's no good. Just enough heat to soften up the sticker so you can move it around, bring it down. And that's it. I gotta say, first time it came out a lot better. I don't know why. Usually it is that way, but it's pretty good. No wrinkles, no bubbles. Now you should let this sit. You know, don't go, you can put it on your bike, but don't go riding or take it in the dust or in the dirt for at least a day. You know, as long as you can, half a day, whatever. You know, there's pro racers that slap on stickers and just go racing, but they got mechanics who work on their stuff. Now what we gotta do is we gotta drill the holes for the plate, and I'm gonna put the plate on. That I'm gonna do in the garage. Well, now I'm gonna take the front plate off. You need a size 8. There's only 2 bolts at the top, and it clips at the bottom. Now you put the front wheel straight with the bike, pop, and just pulls and pops off. Now I gotta drill holes and put the license plate on the new one. This one here, I use some Gorilla Glue to glue it, but it's coming off. I don't know if you can see that. See, it's cracked right here. I don't want to ride it like that because it might hold for a little while, but you know, maybe at the end of the day or after a little while, the other side will start cracking, and then I'll end up losing it. And got enough trouble worrying about trees. I don't want to worry about my front plate. Well, I finally got the plate on there. It's a new one. Make sure you're steering straight. At the bottom, you got these pins. See right here, one on each side, and it clips on to one of these. Most likely the one in the back. And that's it. I guess this old one, I'll use it, hang it up next to the other plastic that I hung up on the wall. There you go. Yeah. That's all plastic for my bike. Yeah, that's a box of plastic that I had up at the top. And I had a spare one, but I just didn't like it. It already had holes in it, and I just got a new one. Now you know why I got a box. And that's how you put on graphics on a dirt bike. The last time I fell, I can't really remember. I think it was about a couple years ago at RJ's on the track. My first lap. Took a spill on the berm, but it was very light and easy, and been riding a while without going down. But it's so true what they say. It's when you know, start believing or start thinking that you're not gonna fall, that's when you fall. When your confidence just rises to the top and you're thinking, hey, you're not gonna fall no more, and you fall. It's true what they say. It's not if you're gonna fall, it's when you're gonna fall. Never forget, my mistake is I didn't have my chest protector on because my confidence was so high, thinking, oh, I ain't gonna fall, I don't need my chest protector. Meanwhile, I got a chest protector in the closet, and now I got some bruised up ribs. Need a couple more days before I go riding. Man, it's so gorgeous and beautiful. It's like 25 today. Gorgeous. I'd be all tearing it up, but my ribs are just a little bit sore. I need a few more days before I get back on the bike. And I'll see you guys then. Until then, stay safe, guys.